Look at this. There's some bumblebees. Right, a bumblebee. Oh my god. They all over the place. What? Oh my god. Oh, I haven't seen this kind of bees before. They are all here, all the way back here, there, bunch of them. What kind of flowers is this? Why they love so much? Look, they're so big. Ah, what? They're all over the place. Hello, bees. Wow. See? Oh my gosh. They're all over the place. Don't sting me, bees. Oh gosh. This is fun. They are all over the place. What? See? The whole row are all bees.